Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to use Temu promo code. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your Temu application. Once it will be open, take a look on the bottom of your mobile screen. Here you will see few options, and from these options you have to tap on this option which is called U. After tapping on it, you can see the option on the fourth number, coupons and offer. If you want to use, then you have to tap on this option. And here are the coupons of Temu which I need to claim, and after claiming I can use when I will try to buy something, and with the help of these coupons I will get discount on Temu. So the first thing is you have to claim it, and if you want to claim then you have to tap on the option claim, or the second one is get. The choice is yours, but just for showing you I will tap on the option claim. And here you can see I have earned $48.82. If I want to use, then I need to go back. I need to enter the code of this coupon in my order. Then I can use and get discount by using these coupons on Temu, and it was the way by which you can use Temu promo code.